also, and I have 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, oops, hold on, let me just make sure you guys are centered because sometimes this thing is not centered. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha, and here on this channel we talk about all of my favorite things which embody fashion, beauty, lifestyle. I am a wife and a mother of 2 boys, so I do a lot of vlogging, so you will see that, and some motherhood content. I haven't checked in a while. We're still actively doing Vlogtober. I don't know what day we're on. I'll put it on the screen. I have not vlogged in a while, honestly. I think the last time I talked to you guys, it was hot. It's officially like cold outside. It's cold in the house. I just wanted to come in and say hi. I am working. I am about to make some lunch because I'm starving. I worked out this morning and I've been fasting and haven't had anything but black coffee all day. So I want to eat something, but I don't want anything in the house. But I also don't want to spend any money. We have a lot of food in the house, so I'm gonna try to make something. I kind of want shrimp and grits, but I don't want to make it. Like, I'm lazy. I don't want to make anything. Like, I want to pop something in the microwave and it be ready for me to eat. But I also really want soup, so I was thinking about maybe making some ramen, because I had ramen last night and it wasn't that good because I was annoyed and rushed, and I put too much water in there, and then I poured the whole water in. It didn't have any flavor. It was just gross. So I think I'm gonna make ramen because it's cold and I just want something warm. I need to bring all my plants inside. They are struggling. Weather from where? Is Siri? Mind your business. You're always in my business. Mind yours. Today also, and I have 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Now, I'm supposed to be going live on Saturday, and I want to do a giveaway, but I think I'm gonna wait. Because I have plans for my giveaway, and I want to like post about it and talk about it and get people to come to the live and really try to give like really good gifts and package it up and kind of talk about what I'll be giving away before I do the giveaway. But I'm also going live on Saturday, which is tomorrow, because today is Friday. Today is Friday. All right, let's make some lunch because I'm starving. I'm sitting here talking to y'all. I'm so starving. Okay, I'm making ramen, but to make it a little more interesting, I'm adding these little soup dumplings. I do this all the time. I just buy the little frozen ones and I add it to my ramen, and it just tastes so good. It tastes like really authentic. Yeah, so that's gonna be my lunch. So I was supposed to make, I had bought those Biscoff cookies, these. And I know I was supposed to make a Biscoff latte. So I thought I had the Biscoff cookie butter. And I did, but it's expired. So I'm gonna have to buy new butter. But I still wanna make a Biscoff latte. That's my goal for this weekend. So I'm about to order some stuff from Amazon. And me eating a cookie before eating is just really the problem with fasting. I'll eat so much crap before I actually eat something, and then I'll be full off of drunk instead of what I need. Okay, I need to get my phone because there's some things I need to do on my phone. I'll check in with you guys later. I am back home. The kids are eating a snack. We've been home for a while. We've been trying to potty train. Yeah. Yes, a balloon. I've been trying to potty train. I'm worn out. The only thing that works for me is bottomless potty training. So that's what we've been doing all day since we got home. I've taken a nap. I've edited a video. Now I'm about to make some dinner. It's like 6:45. The kids are eating the snacks, but I want soup. So I'm about to make chicken tortilla soup. I was gonna do the whole like 30-minute meal thing, but I don't want to. I don't want to right now. So I'm about to come up with a concoction. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using, and we're just gonna vibe, okay? But I want soup. All right, let me show y'all. It's gonna be like a hodgepodge of ingredients, kind of like a, what do they call it? Like a dump cake. It's gonna be a dump soup, which is pretty normal, honestly. So I have leftover rotisserie chicken. Ingredient number 1. I thought I had enchilada. I thought I had enchilada sauce. I thought I had red enchilada sauce, but I don't. I found green enchilada sauce, which I'm still gonna use. I'm gonna add tomato paste to make it red. I have this Mexican street corn white rice situation, which I'm gonna add, and then I have kidney beans and black beans. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use. And then I have taco sauce. I don't have taco seasoning. I do have taco seasoning, actually. I do have taco seasoning in the fridge. And then tortilla chips. And then I have a box of Doritos crunchy taco shells. So we're gonna make something happen here. I want soup. I want taco soup. I want chicken tortilla soup. And instead of buying it, I'm gonna make it myself because that's just who I am. And I do have regular corn too. We'll see, because this might have enough corn in it for me. I don't need it to be heavily corny, but I like the idea of the rice with it. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We're just gonna vibe. I'm gonna listen to some music, I think. And you guys are just gonna be watching. I'm gonna add some music and vibe out. It's not gonna be a lot. I'm just gonna be dumping some things inside of my Dutch oven. That's it. Okay? Thanks for being here. Someone just went on the pot. You pee-pee? Yeah! Good job! Yay! High fives! Good job! Miles just peed on the potty. Yay! We're happy for that. Easton is gonna be such a good dad. He said, remember when I was little, you used to give me like little toy cars? You need to give Miles that when he goes on the potty. He's gonna be such a good daddy. All right, let's get started. Start with my base first, which is gonna be the tomato paste. Alexa, why do they suggest you cook tomato paste